For the intense cold, we are going to the...
I'm not even sure there's even a market.
Bye!
Gosh, Ma.
There you go.
You overdid it on the shirts, but my legs are still cold.
Hey, you have double, right? You want me to add more? Huh?
Not to
Okay,
the
go.
shirts.
Then I'm using this one. Okay, Nikki will use her bike. Warm up. Okay. And Mama will use this thing. Let's go. It's market time. Cat is crying though. Bye-bye. What?
It's okay, we'll bring something for you.
Ayos ka. Yep. Market time.
Hello.
Go.
It's as cold as...
It's okay when you actually... We could. We?
I hope so.
You hope so. So I have to put my scooter here so I can open the gate. Oh Lala, what happened to get my outfit? Okay, we have to open the gate for Nikki.
Because I'm riding a bike.
And the snow over there. Look at the snow. I'm sorry, the fog. It's on the other side, Nikki. C'est pas comme ça. Allez. Là-bas. Look.
Wait, I'm gonna do a turn.
Where? And it's kind of foggy today. Yo. We should actually go that way. So she made a mistake. So that way. That way going to the market and she's coming back.
I turned.
Okay. Okay.